Hello guys, welcome back to Logical Programming YouTube channel. Challenge 13. Write a program for the given requirement. Input: something went wrong. In previous example, we reverse the words of a given string. Now in this example, we have to reverse the spellings of a given string. And means first we have to reverse the words of a given string, and then we have to reverse the spellings of a given string. So we have to write the logic for this thing. Something went wrong, and first we have to reverse the words wrong went something, and then we have to reverse the spellings of these words, right? So we have to write the logic for this one. So I'm taking the string something went wrong, right? This is my given string. So now here first I have to split the string. L is equal to s dot split. If I split the string, how I'm getting the output? Like this, right? And then we have to find the length of the string. K is equal to length of the splitted string. So what is the length here? How many words? 3 words, right? Wrong went something, so means the length of the string is here 3. So now, like previous problem only, while k greater than 0, I'm going to print from last to first L of k minus 1, L of k minus 1 comma and is equal to space. And then what I'm doing here, I have to reduce the k value. So if I execute this one, I'm getting the words, I'm getting the reverse of a given string, only words, but I have to reverse the spellings of a given words of a string, right? So now I'm going to just simply keep it here, colon colon minus 1, means just reversing the spellings of the given string. See here, this is the required output. So what is happening here? While k greater than 0 means 3 greater than 0, condition true. So come inside, it's going to take the value L of k minus 1. K value is nothing but 3, 3 minus 1, 2. This is 0, this is 1 and 2. So now it's going to take the first one as like wrong, right? But we used slicing there, so it's going to revert the spelling of the word. Now it's going to take like Z N O or W, right? And then k value becomes k minus 1, so k value becomes 2. So again 2 will becomes to here, and then 2 greater than 0, right? Condition true, and then it will come inside. L of 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1, so in 1 we are having went, so it's going to reverse the spelling TNEW, right? And then it's going to take the last one as like 1 greater than 0, 0. It's going to reverse this like as GNIHTEMOS. So this is the required output. So internally this is happening. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this. Thank you.